Hey guys, in this video we are going to see how to create a missed call text back automation. So if you have a virtual number in your GoHighLevel account and someone calls to that number and it was forwarded but it was maybe not received by one of your team members, what you can do is you can do an automation that will follow up with them saying, hey, sorry I missed your call, how can I help, or what's a good time to call you back, sort of stuff like that. So if you want to do something like that, you can do it in two ways. Number one, you can go to settings, and for this you don't have to go to automation, but you can if you want to. I'll show you that. If you go to settings and if you go to business profile, if you come all the way down on the right, you can see there's a setting says enable missed call text back. So this is the message that goes out when you miss a call. So you can say, hi, sorry I missed your call, when is a good time to call you back, and you can obviously do a test by putting your phone number here, but for now that should be it. If you want more control, like whoever called and you missed it, if you want them to be on a different pipeline stage, for example, you can obviously get rid of this setting from here, and I'll just go back to automation tutorials. I'll create a new workflow from scratch, and I'll call this missed call text back workflow. Missed call text back automation. The trigger for this will be call status. Just so you know, call status is busy, cancelled, or no answer, voicemail, whatever. But for now we just need busy and no answer. That's a missed call. And you could put more filters to it, like call direction is incoming. So if it's an incoming call, obviously, and just send an SMS. That's the initial thing you need to do. Same thing that you did from setting, hi, sorry I missed your call, when is a good time to call you back. And now you can also create or update an opportunity. Just create a pipeline. You could put them under responded, or you can have your own pipeline created and have a stage called missed call, need to follow up, something like that. And when you're done, just do it. It's saved. And now you can also when you miss a call, you don't want the message to go out instantly to the person who called you, so you can put a wait trigger, maybe 2 minutes. So do a 2-minute, so it looks natural, it doesn't look really robotic. So you miss a call, you wait for 2 minutes, and you send an SMS, and then you add a pipeline tile in your pipeline saying missed call. So that's a really basic missed call text back automation. And yeah, I mean, hope this video was helpful for beginners at least, and I will see you in the next one.